Are you just talking a lot? You say, hi. Hi. They say, hi, Mama. I know. What is that noise? What is that noise? They, oh, silly noises. Oh, are you making silly? Is Mommy making silly noises? Are you going to talk to me now? Yeah. I know, you better talk to me. You better talk to me. Oh, my goodness. Oh, you're so sweet. Yes, you are. Good. You talk to Mama. You say, hi, Mama. What is that noise? What is that noise? What was that? Ready? Oh. These silly noises. I know you're going to tell me. You're going to tell me? Yeah? Oh my goodness. You're going to tell me? Oh. You're so sweet. Is he? Oh, you did? Oh my goodness, did you really? Yeah. That's a big boy. Yes. I know, you're such a big boy, huh? Yeah. Yeah, I see your tongue. I see your tongue. Oh, I see your tongue. Give me the tongue. So you're supposed to be sleeping right now. Yes, you are. You're supposed to be sleeping. Oh, how come you're not sleeping? Huh? Huh? You don't know? Do you not know? You're going to tell me? You're giving me a funny look. I give me a funny look. Oh.